C was designed by Dennis Ritchie and C++ was designed by John Strostrup. C was appeared in 1972 and C++ was appeared in 1985. C influenced R, C++, C#, Java, PHP, JavaScript, Perl and C++ influenced R, C#, Java, P. C influenced by B, BCPL, CPL, Algol 68, assembly and C++ influenced by C, similar. In C manual garbage collection is available and in C++ there is no garbage collection. C uses C extension and C++ uses CC, CPP, CXX, H. C is procedural type of programming language and C++ is object-oriented type of programming language. C follows top-down approach and C++ follows bottom-up approach. C is not a metaprogramming language and C++ is a metaprogramming language. C doesn't provide data security and C++ provides data security through access specifiers. In C scanf and printf is used for input and output and in C++ in and count is used for input and output. In C inheritance is not possible and in C++ inheritance is possible. C is mid-level programming language and C++ is high-level programming language.